Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a material in Autodesk 3ds Max. Now, for example, we are going to create a simple, maybe box, okay, just like so. And then just press M or click on the material editor right here, okay, at the top. You can click on it, wait for the Slate material editor to open, and then just right click on a blank space right here under View, add in a material, General, and then from here, we can go ahead and click on Open Material or Open PBR Material. Okay, you just click on it and then just right click, Maps right here, General. And we're going to select Bitmap. Okay, now go ahead and find the image that you wanted to include or add in as your material. For example, this one. I'm going to click on it, make sure that it is highlighted. Now I'm going to click on Open. And here we have it. We're just going to need to connect it to what? Maybe base color, just like so. And then once done, click on material right here or click on your specific object and then just attach it. Assign material to selection or press A, just like so. That's how simple it is to add in a material here in Autodesk 3ds Max. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.